you, it is hot. It is hot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Thelma. Thank you for clicking on this video. So guys, I don't know where this vlog is going, but I just decided to start. I'm making indomie to eat. I want to film today, but the weather is just misbehaving. Like, it will act like it wants to rain, start drizzling, and then it stops. Don't even know, man. I don't know. I don't want to start filming and then it now starts raining. It's going to kill the video. Anyways, let me just go and eat. Guys, he just brought my niece, my baby niece, for me to babysit. I don't know where to start from. Like, I'm not even angry because this girl is too cute. She's too cute. I can't be angry. I can't film again today because I have to babysit. My life. Anyways, let me show you guys. She's so cute. Hello. She's so cute. Hi guys, so I'm about to get ready to film the video I wanted to film yesterday. So I just want to do my makeup now and then I'll film the video.
Play by USB drive.
Guys, I just finished filming. Thank God, like when I was about to film the YouTube video, they brought the light. So yes, okay, let me just go and look for something to eat because I haven't eaten and it's almost 2 o'clock. So let me go and eat. Okay. Hi guys, so it's been like a week since I last spoke to you guys. Sorry. But yeah, I have some errands to run today. I have to go to a makeup store. I have to go to a bookshop. Yeah, makeup store. I want to buy lash glue and contact solution. It's almost out. But then I have to go to a bookshop to buy some jotters and masking tape. And then I have to go to the market as well. So let me take you guys along with me. I hope that I'm not shy when I get on the road. But yeah, I'll try. Okay, so let me hurry. Okay, bye guys. When I tell you it is hot, it is hot. Like, can you see how much I'm sweating? I honestly want to take off this wig, like ASAP. Should I do it? I can't take it any longer. Oh my goodness. I've not eaten since morning. It's actually like 1 o'clock or even almost 2 o'clock now. So I bought this. If you know me, you know how much I like to buy puff and all these chops. Yeah. So before I start cooking, I'm going to eat this because I need energy because the sun outside has drained me. Hi guys, so yesterday or day before yesterday, I'm sorry if you guys can hear any background noise. I'm sure you can hear it because it's raining heavily, like heavily. I've been waiting for this rain to stop so that I can do this video with you guys, but it doesn't want to stop. And before you know it, it's already past 3, and very soon it will be 4, 5, and it start getting dark. So I'm currently using a ring light so that you guys can be able to see me. But yeah, so yesterday or day before yesterday, what am I saying? My friend sent me a makeup box. Ozioma, my beautiful friend, I love you so much. So she sent me a makeup box. Guys, this box is heavy and it's quite empty. It's very heavy. So thank you so much, Ozioma. God bless you. I love you. I love you. I love you. So what I want to do now is that I want to clean it up and transfer my things into the box, you guys. I'm a makeup artist. Oh my god. She actually left me a couple of things. She left me a pair of lashes, another pair of lashes, another pair of lashes. She left me the Ezekiel eyeshadow primer, white eyeshadow primer. She left me foundations. She left me eyelash glue, thankfully, because the one that I currently have is almost empty. So she left me another one. And yeah, this thing I thought was a lip gloss, actually a matte liquid lipstick, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. You guys, this thing smells like heaven. So sweet, smells like chocolate. Like chocolate, guys. You guys know that I just bought this like a couple of days ago, and she sent me the same one. So almost like I wasted my money, but no. Yeah, she left me this eyeshadow palette. This Afrique by Juvia's Place. Oh god, I'm so blessed. You guys, this thing is brand new. Brand new. I can't wait to start playing with all of these. She left me another palette. Ooh, sorry. This one has shimmered colors and matte colors. What am I saying? Shimmered colors, glitters. She left me. She left me this big. What they call this thing again? Highlighter palette. Makeup Revolution, guys. I have something like this, a smaller one, the Ultra Blush palette. I don't even know what I'm going to do with all of these highlights. Like, how many things can I really highlight? Anyways, and finally she left me an eyeshadow palette, almost like my naked eyeshadow palette I showed you guys in my basic to body video. Almost like it, you guys. This palette, the colors in it, some of them are broken, so it's quite messy. I don't know whether to show you guys. Even opening itself, have to be careful because it's quite messy. See, some of the colors are broken. So yeah, this one is just 2. The one I have is 3, but this one's, the pans are bigger than the naked one that I have. So guys, what we're going to do now is that we're going to clean up the box, clean it up so that I can put my things inside. That's just what I want us to do right now. I already have wipes here. I don't know whether to use wipes or whether to use sponge and like soap and water. Let me try using wipes first and see how it goes. If it doesn't work out, I'll just use sponge and water and soap, of course.
Yeah.
and throw away all of these parts that I'm always cleaning, because my makeup is not really in a safe place. I tend to leave the packets of my stuff because this is kind of protecting it. By the way guys, this is where I used to keep my makeup. Talk about upgrade. Guys, my glasses are broken. Like, see, the night before I realized that it was broken, I used it and it was fine. I dropped it on my table that night. The next morning I came and it was broken. I don't even know how it happened. You guys, just see, just take a look at this. Like, I can't even use it again. I have to change the frame. I don't know when I'll even be able to do that one, but anyways, yeah, that's the update. My glasses are broken, so I can't see. It's a lie, I'm using contacts, but yeah, for now I don't like the fact that I'm wearing contacts like every day. I don't think it's healthy. I'll see you guys later.
Do you know that when we finished talking it was 3:10? I said all I've been doing from now to 3:50. I said let me do makeup. I still finish makeup. You never ready.
Guess who's ready?
What did you do?
I did clicker.
Oh wow, we move. I press it, hold up, no deal. Okay.
Black hair.
That's the dance now.
She like all that gangsta shit. Top.
Hey. Bye. Bye.
They did vex me.
You move very past me. Almost.
Oh, good.
Take out.
Hi guys, let me just give you life advice here. If you go to a store, a supermarket, wherever, boutique, to buy something, go straight to the thing that you want to buy, pick it and go and pay for it and walk out. Yesterday, was it yesterday? So I went to buy my bathing soap and roll-on, and then I was like, oh, let me go and check the skincare products, you know. And I picked one. I picked the Neutrogena pink grapefruit daily scrub. I picked that. And then when I got to the pay points, they said my bill was 4,000 something. I said, what did I pick? 3 things. How much is soap? How much is roll-on? Why is my... He said the scrub is 3,000. I said, my dear, remove it. Remove it. I didn't plan for that. In fact, that's not what I came here to buy. Just remove it. Focus on what you want to buy, but don't spend money you did not budget for, because, guys, things cost. Things cost. Okay, guys. So, yeah, I saw my secondary school friends. I saw friends from, like, my secondary school. And it was very, I don't know, cute and sweet for me, because I just made a video on my boarding school experience, and I saw them. It was just, oh my god, it was just very nice, basically. And thank you so much on the love on that video. You guys actually like it. You guys actually like it. Oh my god. And it has brought me a number of subscribers. Like, it has gotten me like more than 10 subscribers. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so very much. And to think that I even omitted some things, I omitted like dining experience when we used to run to the dining to go and collect Thursday yam. I omitted dating because I felt the video was too long, so I just, when I was editing, I was just cutting those things out. I'm so sorry about that. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I started this vlog looking like scrap, ending it looking like scrap, but you know, we move. Thank you. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.